If you've ever wanted to make a PDF file from your favorite website, here's a little trick to do it. Right, using the command line and a tool called wk'html2pdf, it's not the easiest name to remember, and then we type in the web page name. You don't have to put the full HTTP, this is a shortened version will do, and then the name of the file you want it to be saved as. And then press enter, and it will load in the web page and then convert it to a PDF. And it's appeared at the bottom there in the folder I made for this, and it's FreeBSD.pdf. And there we go. It's a single page that we've converted. It hasn't rendered it 100% accurately, but it's close enough. And in this particular mode of a single page, none of the links really will work. It does give you links on the left hand side there, but they don't do anything and they don't go anywhere really. And for a single page, it'll do the job just fine. Right, close that down. And let's go for a more complicated page or pages. In this case, I'm going to type in FreeBSD handbook, and we'll just change that to FreeBSD handbook. Again, the time taken depends on the complexity of the site you're converting. And there it is, and there we go. Far more complicated. It's small, but I'll make the text a bit bigger in a minute. In this occasion, all the links will work, everything's there, and it's the complete handbook all in one nice handy PDF file. Of course, this could be anything. This could be a cooking website, recipes, it could be a technical website giving some instructions. It could be anything really. There we go, look. It's all nice. It's extremely handy is this as well, because sometimes you don't want to be messing around with saving HTML and the associated files of it. So a PDF will just sit there nice and neat. There are some, just delete that. There are some switches that we can use, which will change the output. One is for G, for grayscale, and it will convert your web page into, as you can see, a grayscale representation. Don't know why you want to do that, but in case you do, there it is. And another one that's really useful is no graphics, or no images. And you'll just get the text. So let's have a look at the FreeBSD page again. There we go. There's not much difference, it's just that the logo's gone, but yeah, if you just wanted the text of the thing and wanted to strip out the images, that's the way to do it. There is another way that we can archive a web page, and this is using the sister program, I suppose, of wk'html2image. And as the name suggests, if you just follow the same format, it will save it to a PNG rather than a PDF. And there we go. So there you go. And it's an image. If you want to import that into a word processor or a desktop publishing program, there to do it. Very nice. Of course, there is another way that we can convert a web page to a PDF, and that is to use the, more or less the inbuilt one in Firefox. So go to the web page that we want. I want print. There's a little preview, and it gives you the options to save as PDF. Again, the formatting is not 100%, but no, that's really down to the web page that you're looking at. And we save it to FreeBSD project. And there we go, let's close that. And there's the one that we've done. The results is even worse than the other one, so really, if you really want to do it this way, then you can. And here are the various other options and commands for this program. You have low quality, change the orientation, the page size. It's very good. It's quite comprehensive, and it's not that slow really. It's not too bad. So there you are, an easy way to convert your favorite web page into a PDF file using FreeBSD and wk'html2pdf. Oh, and here's the handbook. with a close-up look that I saved earlier. Very nice indeed. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. This and every other video on my channel has been made using FreeBSD and open source software.